Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a custom hook called useLocalStorage. This hook is super useful because it lets you sync your application state with local storage in a straightforward way. So now I will go to create a folder. I will create a hook. I will create useLocalStorage.ts and now I will go to create the hook. I will type export function, use local storage. This local storage will be generic. And now I will open here and I will put key string and now I will take initial value and it will take the t. Now I will type t value type or type value type personal visible. Now okay, I will open here. Okay, here I have to put t2. And now inside this hook I will import use local use stay and I will put or type store value and I will take okay I will type with generic and okay and now I will open a function here. Okay, here I will put try cache. Inside the cache I will take item window local storage perfect and now I will return if item is true. That's correct. And now I will return error is value. Perfect. Now I will go to create other function. I will type concept value. It will take value or that's it. Perfect. I will try cache again to manage the error. So I will type value to store will be value extend of function. If it's true, it will take value, store value or value only. And now now the use state will take set store value, it will take the value. And now I will go to manage the row. I will for error. I will put here perfect this. Okay. Return store value and set value. And now I notice I'm stay here. Now I have to put window local storage and I want to take this value to local storage. Up to use it. Now I will make the page more beautiful. So I will type class name. I will type maths and auto say and like like this. Here we will type is maybe like list of tasks. Now we go to edit. Here we type let's say like this. I will type an input. Perfect and bottom. Now I will create a function. Okay, but now I will go to import use local storage. Here I will create an interface task. It will take ID, number, and with a string. And now here I will type this local storage like to do. And now I will name this key like task, and it will be an array. And now I will type counts task set. Perfect. Okay. Now I will create a function and a new state very fast. So we go to new state, new task, will be a string, empty string. Okay. I will create a function, count, add, task. Now I will count. Okay. I like this code. And I will create a function that will be delete to do or task. I will take a ID that will be number. I will open here and set task. I will and now I will type here preview task. I will open here filter like this, perfect. And now I will use it in the input. I will put value. It will be new task with new task. Okay. On chain will be will take in set new task value perfect first you all okay perfect. I will type task dot map will take task will open here. Now I will type so I will put here key task it will take an ID. And now I will type expand. It will take all this. The mistake is because I need this. Okay, perfect. Now I will put a task in the input and the bottom, sorry, and click add task. Now I will go to create a task. I will type add apple. So I will press the button. Now I will refresh the page. Now I have this task. I will go to the console. Now I have this task here. Now I will go to the console. So I have this data in the local storage. If I remove this task, I remove the in the local storage too. So thank you for watching this video and bye.